Something didn't just shift in the US car market. Something ruptured. A deep structural fracture the industry prayed would stay buried. In September 2025, inventory didn't go up. It erupted, blasting to 2.89 million units, with 88 days of supply, up from 67 the month before. Healthy markets rise, sick markets explode. This isn't a slowdown, it isn't a cool down, it's an internal bleed, and the correction isn't coming. It's already underway. Markets don't scream before they break, they whisper, then they snap. And right now, the snap has started. Dealers smelled the fire first, and they're acting like it. Something flipped overnight. Salespeople who treated buyers like static are suddenly chasing old leads like lifeboats. Managers are offering discounts they aren't allowed to post online. Lenders are approving borderline deals with alarming speed. This isn't customer service. This is fear wearing a name tag. Dealers only behave like this when the truth becomes undeniable. Inventory is rising faster than demand can run, faster than their systems can hide the damage. Right now, the waterline isn't creeping, it's climbing the walls, and the lifeboats are already drifting away. The inventory surge they hid in the dark. For the last 90 days, analysts saw something they've never seen in the modern market. In February, the US was already drowning under 2.92 million unsold vehicles, with 96 days of supply, a level that would make any healthy market cough. But instead of correcting, the market buckled inward. By July, inventory dipped to 2.68 million. Not because vehicles sold, but because dealers physically relocated the problem into the shadows. Units shuffled between stores like contraband, EVs parked behind abandoned strip malls, SUVs sleeping under dying streetlights in fenced backlots, overflow yards filling after midnight like secret graveyards. The backlog didn't shrink, it scattered like a secret too large to bury, and pressure like that doesn't fade. It detonates when the seal finally gives. The internal order that set the whole system on fire. Then came the leak, a blunt, icy directive from a major manufacturer. Clear space immediately. No explanation, no context, just panic disguised as urgency. Those three words mean one thing. They built too much. Demand collapsed, and the pipeline is choking on metal it can't swallow. This isn't mismanagement. This is a machine eating itself alive, long after the warning lights went dark. One spark, one directive, and the system caught fire. The first models falling through the ice. The first casualties aren't the cheap cars. They aren't the old ones. They aren't the high-mileage stragglers. They're the heavy hitters. Big body SUVs, luxury sedans, pre-2024 EVs, full-size trucks with dead-end trims. These models used to print profit. Now they're rotting capital. They didn't. Anchors dragging the market down. When premium inventory freezes, the rest of the market doesn't slow. It locks up. Solid, fast, absolute. The day's supply, numbers that signal an avalanche. Days of supply is the market's heartbeat. 30 days, safe. 60 days, warning. 80 days, critical danger. 100 plus days, drowning. In October 2025, Buick, 104 days. Genesis, 124 days. Chrysler, 124 days. These aren't statistics, they're alarms, the kind flashing before the avalanche breaks loose. This isn't brand weakness, this is structural oversupply, suffocating the market from the top down. And when the top tier sinks, everything below gets pulled under. Wholesale has already shattered. Retail will crumble next. Retail can bluff. Wholesale cannot. Cars that demanded $25,000 a few months ago now cross the block at $21,000, a $4,000 collapse. And even then, dealers walked away. Not because the price was too high, because they cannot absorb another unit without risking financial asphyxiation. When wholesale breaks, retail doesn't soften. Retail collapses, publicly, brutally, visibly. The real cause, and why no one in power will admit it. Interest rates didn't cause this. Consumers didn't cause this. Market sentiment didn't cause this. Factories did. Manufacturers kept producing like the world still lived in 2021, ignoring the slowdown, ignoring their dealers, ignoring gravity. The fallout? Lots spilling onto sidewalks, pipelines clogged with unsellable models, storage yards growing like industrial graveyards, markets buckling under thousands of unmoving units. Factories weren't matching demand. They were racing ghosts. Full speed into a wall they pretended wasn't there. Now the system they overloaded is a critical mass. The hidden symptoms of a market in cardiac arrest. Walk through any overloaded dealership and the panic reveals itself. Overnight price drops like emergency amputations. Markups evaporating without a word. Managers chasing leads they abandoned months ago. Lenders bending rules they once treated like scripture. Today only deals repeating like broken alarms. Inventory shuffled like a shell game. EVs idle in dim overflow lots under flickering lights. This isn't sales strategy. This is triage, the CPR phase before the collapse. The model's about to be sacrificed, based on supply velocity and lot stagnation. 2 to 3 year old crossovers, aging platform luxury SUVs, pre-2024 EVs with outdated charging tech, full-size trucks with low-demand configurations. These aren't assets anymore. They're liabilities, and liabilities get dumped fast. These don't depreciate, they detonate. How a smart buyer uses this crisis as a weapon. Step 1. Count the clowns. If a dealer has 8, 10, or 12 identical trims, those aren't choices. Those are fractures in the system. Step 2. Use wholesale as your blade. If auctions show $18,500, you start at $18,500, not $23,900, not market price. Truth lives in the auction lanes. Step 3. Negotiate one number, the out-the-door price. Everything else is fog. Step 4. Drop the silence bomb. Ask, what's the lowest out-the-door price if I'm ready today? Then say nothing. Silence breaks managers faster than pressure. The next 30 days, the edge before the drop. Dealers fear 3 things more than anything. Aging units, rising floor plan interest, dead weekends. Right now, they're drowning in all 3 at once. If national inventory pushes past 3 million units, buyer leverage will hit levels not seen since 2008. This isn't a buying opportunity. This is a buying window. And windows slam shut. And bidding for autos has been warning about this long before the headlines will. The vehicles that won't go down with the ship, some segments remain unsinkable. Hybrids, compact fuel savers, Toyota's 2024 to 25 lineup. High resale platforms, fresh redesigns. These won't drop even when the rest of the market shatters. If you want one, buy early. The truth. Most buyers will understand too late. Most people won't recognize what's happening until the news cycle screams, auto market correction begins. By then, the best deals will already belong to the buyers who saw the smoke long before the flames. The correction isn't coming, it's here. The US car market isn't shifting, it's cracking open. Right now, in real time. Inventory is swelling. Auctions are buckling. Dealers are choking under floor plan interest. Factories are still feeding a pipeline that can't take another unit. For the first time in over a decade, buyers hold the leverage, and the market knows it. This is the correction. This is the moment, and the next month will expose everything they worked so hard to hide.